How to search for messages on Slack on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to find specific messages quickly in Slack on your PC. First, open Slack on your Windows 11 PC. From there, click on the search bar at the top of the screen. At this point, type in a keyword, phrase, or the name of a person whose messages you want to find. From there, press Enter or click on the search icon to pull up the results. After that, you will see a list of messages matching your search term across all your channels and conversations. In the next step, click on any result to jump directly to that message in its original channel or conversation. From there, if you want to narrow down your search results, click on the Filters option on the right side of the search results page. Once done, filter by date range, specific channel, person, or file type to find exactly what you were looking for. Finally, use the search results to locate your message and click on it to open the full conversation thread for more context. And that's it. If this guide helped you search for messages on Slack, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.